Hey, this is Life Out Lash Girl Melissa, and we're going to use this today. This was sent to me, and I have tried it, and I do love it. It makes my baby fine hair like really fluffy, and here's the proof right here. There's the look that we're going for, okay, today. So stick around and learn how to do it. Now, this does come with some accessories with it, and this one happens to be so pretty in the box. Look at the spots. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I love pink. It does come with this, and it's not a Michael Jackson glove, okay? And you can wear it on your right or your left. It doesn't matter. You will need this because you don't want to burn your fingers, okay? And the next thing we have is, what? Oh, this right here. This is the rubber piece that you lay down, and while you're working, you lay the iron back down on this, okay? You lay it back down on this so you don't burn you or your clothes or your furniture and that kind of thing, because it does get really hot. It has different levels. So we're going to talk about that right now. Isn't this thing pretty? I love it. I do. I love it. Now, it starts off at, let's see. It starts off at 180 and it goes up to 340. Now, Lisa ain't using 340 on her hair because her hair is baby fine and that would not work. So let me show you something. If you have baby fine hair, it doesn't really matter what kind of hair you have. I recommend using some products. Now, this is my Lonza. It's a healing product. It helps my hair grow. I've had some issues with my hair, so hence I cut all my hair off. And I do love Miracle 10. Now, I spray this on while my hair is wet and I blow it dry. And I also spray this on while my hair is wet and I blow it dry with this. This is argan oil. You can probably find this anywhere. This is Timo's. Really love it. And my hair's baby fine, and you can see it did not weigh it down. So this is just blown dry, okay? So we're going to get started and put the glove on and let me pull my hair up where it needs to be so that we can start curling. Okay, so I've gotten it pulled up. You are going to need a comb, which I love my comb and I love my pick. Y'all, I've had this pick. I think I was married to my ex-husband and I've had this thing so long. I wonder I had lost it. Now, and we do have Big Sexy hairspray. That is a must for me. Baby fine hair, you're going to love this. This is spray and play, not spray and play harder. Don't get spray and play harder because it's just, your hair you won't be able to comb through it, in other words. Now, I have some of these in my hair, kind of pulling it up, and I just have these little clippy things, and we're going to start down here. Now, we are not going to go all curly. We're just going to get some nice little waves in here, and I'm going to decide which one I want. I think I'm going to go with the 230. See, you can't see it, but right here is the gauge for the heat. And 230 is probably going to be enough for me. Now, I'm going to lay this here and let it get hot. And I'm right-handed, so I am going to take this glove and put it on my left hand. That way, when you're holding it, you're not going to burn yourself, okay? That's really important. That's why this is in here, and that's why you need it. And, you can't, if you're left-handed, you can put it on your right. It's vice versa. It doesn't matter. Okay, let me check the temperature of this and see if it's ready. Okay, since my hair is so short, and the back of it is a dark, so I could have more depth in my hair, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some strands through here, and we're just going to put little waves across here, little waves across here. And when I'm done, I'll show you the back of it once we're finished, because it's really hard for me to show you the back while I'm facing forward. So I'm going to take a little bit of this right here, and you can pull some of this up if you want. I didn't do it. I did this the other day, and I did not do it. Now, remember, this barrel, when you put it here, it has to be on the barrel side. You don't want to come this way and go the other way because you'll kink your hair, okay? So this is the way you want to go. You want to hold it right here like this. And we're just going to kind of place it. And I'm just going to kind of come down just a tad and just get a little wave. That's all I want. That's all I want. I don't want it to be big and wavy. Now, curly, in other words. Now, I have used a curling iron. You've seen me use it. It is another one that I like, but this one here, I haven't used a curling iron in a while. So it's really kind of fun to use it just because I haven't used one in so long. Now I'm going to take this part here. Now remember, please put on the stuff if you've got baby fine hair. I'd put on something anyway because, heat on your hair is not good all the time. So just protect your hair. protect your hair. Let me see, I need to move you back out of the way. Protect it. You really need to protect it. I can't get past it. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. You are going to be clipped back right here because I don't want you in this stuff. Okay, there we go. Girl, it's comical when you hang out with me. You never know what you're going to get. You just never know. That's called Alabama in me because that's where I'm from, if you're wondering. Hence the accent that I have. I just love these little loose curls. I'm going to do this one more time. I did put a little bit of oil on this one because my hair is pretty dry at times. So I don't want it to be like, you know, I don't want it to get burned by holding it in a spot that I didn't need it. And all we're going to do is just go around our whole entire head doing this. Pulling it out and letting it curl. That's it. So if I do this side, I'm going to do this side the same way. And then, so let me get the bottom done. And then we'll come back and fool with the top. So I've got it going. So we're going to pull down this part here, because this is the very top part. And so what I like to do through here is just put some more waves. I like beachy waves. So that's my theme for today is beachy waves. I want to go to the beach. That's what I want to do. So make sure you take this and you turn it. And you make sure that your setting is good for you. Like I'm on 230. You may need to have it a little bit higher, you know, to get the more curl that you want. But I don't want a whole lot of curl. I just want it to be beachy waves. And that's what I'm doing. Just taking little pieces at a time. And I take it and let me see, I don't want that piece. You take it and just kind of whip it around. That's all I do. And just hold it. 1 minute. There we go. Now we're getting the full girl. You know, Alabama girls like big hair. They do. They like big hair. So, let me just say my high school picture was like crazy big hair. And my hair was like super dark then. Yes, like this. Like that's my natural color. I'm not a blonde. I like being a blonde though. I don't know, I just like the way blonde looks in my hair. So it just makes me happy. And so therefore, that's what I do. Now you can, you know, take these and make them different directions and stuff if you want to. But when you're doing the beachy stuff, it doesn't really matter. Because it's all going to go, you know, it's all going to go like different directions anyway. So here's the spot that, here's the spot that we need help with, okay? So this spot here, it's all my hair. Now, I've had COVID hair. I'm just going to tell you that right out. And my hair was damaged, and so I have to be really careful what I do with my hair. So it's a learning process for me, and it's probably a learning process for you if you went through that same thing, okay? Because it was really, really not a fun time. And so what I do here is I just kind of take it and comb it back like that just to get a lift. I'm not trying to get no curls right here. I know proper English. I'm not trying to get any curls right here. I just want the height. You see that? I want the height. So take little bitty pieces. Sometimes I have to pull it with this glove. Sometimes it's hard to grab the hairs. Because my hair, you know, it's not really long. But, you know, it's not really short either. So I just want to do it like that on the ends. You see what I'm doing? And this in here, I kind of, I'm going to take one more piece, just right here. This one right here. And this one's going to go up and back. That's where that one's going to go. Now, once I get everything kind of beachy down, it's going to look so cute, y'all. Now, your hair's different, I'm sure. I don't know if your hair is baby fine like mine, but mine's really difficult to deal with. And it's a challenge all the time to do my hair. So, I'm going to do the back. And I'm going to come back and we're going to fluff all this out. And we're going to spray it. And then you'll see exactly what it looks like done. But that's all you do. If you need more heat, add the heat, girl. I don't want all that heat. I just want these beachy waves. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've gotten every place I want to have a little bit of bend, curl. Now I'm going to take my hairspray and just kind of dot around just like that. I'm going to let that set for a second or two. But what I've typically like to do is use my fingers. I think your fingers are the best tool when you're trying to get, you know, beachy kind of wavy hair. And when you have as many layers as I do, sometimes it's really hard to get the beachy wavy hair. But look, I love it. And then I spray it and I just kind of scrunch it. I just think it's so cute. I like it kind of messy. I don't like everything the same. Do you close your eyes too when you're doing something with your hair? I do. I don't know why. But this is all I do. I take my fingers and kind of place it where I want it. And then I'm going to spray it. And then I'm going to scrunch it. Scrunchy wunchy. Yeah. And see, it is just so darn cute. I love it like this. I don't have a lot of hair, so sometimes when I can really fluff it up like this, I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at this. Okay, let's spray up here. Spray up at the top. Now, here's where I'll come and get my pick, and we'll just kind of pick it up because I like for it to be high in the crown because I have a flat head in the crown back here. So I'm going to go fix the back of it because I can't see it. And I will be right back and we'll look at our finished look, girls. Okay, this is our finished look. This is how I like my hair. It just looks so cute and fluffy, and it's bigger in the crown. Let me show you the back of it. It's really fluffy, you know, in the back. I love it. And it's very touchable because we're using the hairspray Big Sexy, okay? Because that is not sticky or tacky. I can't stand stuff like that. But I left that in the bathroom. But make sure you get spray and play, not spray and play harder, because that will make it really stiff and you will not be able to do the beachy waves like this, like spray it and then scrunch it, because that's what I do. I get the waves in, I spray it, and then I scrunch it. Y'all need this. This is such a nice thing. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's really lightweight too. It's not heavy, so you're not going to have to sit here and hold it thinking that it's really heavy. But it does have a lot of nice settings, so it's for all kinds of hair types. Really nice product. I love the fact that it sits here on this, so it's not going to burn. You know, it's not going to burn any of your furniture or you. Lay it down on that, and you're good to go, girlfriends. Oh gosh. I'm looking at it in the mirror here, and I'm looking up here. I just love it. Okay, you guys, please like and share and click that notification bell. All the information will be in the description box below, and you go ahead and grab it. There is a discount code. I'll put that right here, and you'll know what that is. So go get it. I think Baby Fine Hair Girls, y'all will love it. I think somebody who has a lot of hair will love it. So you know what? Y'all go try it. Go try it. I think it's beautiful. Okay, I'm ready to go out on my date now. I will see y'all later.